when vice chancellors get together and talk to each other for 2.5 days. Normally, vice chancellors are engaged in routine works. So, this gave an opportunity to interact and also introspect and learn from others. So, these three things are very important outcome of this conclave. And the issues that were raised and the manner in which they were debated. I think threadbare discussions, but very focused discussions, and punctuality was maintained, and that way a lot of new things are likely to emerge. There might be some specified outcome of this conclave on behalf of the organizers. But I think each vice chancellor or each person who participated is going to go back home much richer, much more informed, and maybe some plan of action for his or her own university. That way, this is.
That this will improve the decision making thought or certain issues that.
I take it as a discussion for a policy making issue. It would definitely impact the policy making, and perhaps the 5-year plans and other plans that we are going to make, the discussions over here are going to make an impact upon them. Benchmarking perhaps is the most important thing. That has been the whole idea has taken a concrete shape.
Are there any recommendations that you want to make for the issues that you think can also be raised or discussed in this forum?
I think a wider spectrum of vice chancellors should have been there. More of IIMs and more of IITs is desirable. It is desirable and it is there, but more of others, more of other universities, state universities and central universities, so that we can have discussions about not only the tier 1 students and tier 1 universities, but tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 students also, which make the bulk of the student population in higher education today. Second thing is perhaps we could have more discussions like we had in the cafe type of discussion. So, because in a 60-minute session, not everyone is able to contribute. So, that way it would be more productive if we have a kind of what you call parallel sessions or that kind of thing, where more people can contribute and more people can say, and more issues can also be raised. At the moment, the issues of IITs and IIMs are getting more focus. The other universities, other higher education systems, other research institutes, there is no representation from any reputed research institute, and we are talking about research. And the question of how to prepare researchers is very important. That has not been raised. Research is important, but how to prepare researchers, that is important, yes.